Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with TAMAY. In today's video, you are going to listen to a daily English conversation between two friends, Ben and Laura. This conversation will help you improve your spoken English, daily vocabulary, and confidence. So listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and enjoy the conversation.
Good morning, Laura.
Good morning, Ben. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. You look fresh today.
Thank you. I woke up early this morning.
Really? That's great. What time did you wake up?
Around 6 a.m. I'm trying to build a good morning routine.
That's a very good habit. Early mornings are peaceful and productive.
Yes, I agree. I went for a short walk and did some stretching.
Nice. Did you have breakfast?
Not yet. I was planning to eat after meeting you.
You shouldn't skip breakfast, Ben. It gives energy for the whole day.
You're right. What did you eat today?
I had fruits, eggs, and a cup of tea.
That sounds healthy.
So tell me about your daily routine.
Sure. After breakfast, I usually read English for 30 minutes.
That's impressive. What do you read?
Mostly short stories, news articles, and sometimes conversation scripts.
That's perfect for improving English.
Yes, but sometimes I feel shy while speaking.
That's normal. Everyone feels shy in the beginning.
How did you become so confident in English?
I practice daily. I spoke English even when I made mistakes.
Did people laugh at you?
Sometimes, yes, but I didn't stop.
That's inspiring.
Remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Are you going to college now?
Yes, I have classes till afternoon. What about you?
I have office work today.
Do you like your job?
Yes, but it's stressful sometimes.
That's life. Every job has pressure.
True. How do you handle stress?
I listen to music, meditate, and talk to friends.
Talking really helps.
Absolutely. Never keep stress inside.
Laura, I want to speak English fluently.
You can. You just need consistency.
How many hours should I practice daily?
Even 30 minutes is enough if you practice sincerely.
What should I focus on first, grammar or speaking?
Speaking first. Grammar will improve automatically.
That's interesting.
Yes. Think of English as a language, not a subject.
I like that idea.
It's lunchtime. Are you hungry?
Yes, very much.
What will you eat today?
Probably noodles and vegetables.
Simple and healthy.
What about you?
I brought lunch from home.
Lucky you.
Home food is always the best.
True. Outside food is tasty but unhealthy.
How much time do you spend on your phone daily?
Honestly, too much.
Same here. We should reduce screen time.
Yes. It affects focus and sleep.
I've started keeping my phone away at night.
That's a good idea. I'll try that too. Evenings are my favorite time.
Mine too. The sky looks beautiful.
Do you like watching sunsets?
Yes, they make me calm.
Life feels peaceful during such moments.
We should enjoy small things in life.
Absolutely.
And what is your biggest goal?
I want to become confident and successful.
That's a good goal.
What about you?
I want to help people learn English.
That's wonderful.
English opens many doors.
Yes, it gives confidence.
What do you do before sleeping?
I revise vocabulary and plan the next day.
That's productive.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, sometimes.
It helps in better sleep.
Exactly.
It was nice talking to you today.
Same here. I enjoyed our conversation.
Thank you for motivating me.
You're welcome. Keep practicing English daily.
I will. See you tomorrow.
See you. Goodbye.
Thank you for listening. If you like this conversation, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with TAMAY. Practice daily, speak confidently, and never give up.